2 plus 6 parenthesis close plus 24 parenthesis 4 minus 2. Try to solve within 10 seconds. Your time starts now. Okay, time's up. Now, many are solving in a wrong way, but we will follow here the PEMDAS. Parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. As we can see, there are two parenthesis part, which is 2 plus 6, and one is 4 minus 2. So we will solve first this parenthesis part, which is 2 plus 6, and this will give result 2 plus 6. This will give result 8. So we can write 8 plus 24 parenthesis 4 minus 2. Again 8 plus 24. Now we will operate this parenthesis, which is 4 minus 2, and this will give 2. So we can write 24 times 2. Now again 8 plus 24 times 2, this will be 48. And for final answer, we have to write 8 plus 48. And when we add, we will get answer 56, which is the right answer. And subscribe us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.